Today we're going to be taking a look at the Westdubs Elevating Roof for the VW T5 and T6. So inside we've got the fixing straps and handles, and we're just going to open the roof, we're going to undo these straps at the top here. I'm going to undo those, and then we just want to do the same on this side, and the roof is quite simply just elevated up with a push. So it's pretty much a one-handed operation, and you're just going to push that straight up in the air like that, and that'll go fully up. Just make sure you've got all your straps loosened off, and that'll go right to the top. Another optional extra is the bedboard. Now these are available, they can be retrofitted afterwards or installed at the same time. We make all of ours out of 18mm ply, which is a little bit thicker than some people use in their roof systems, but we find this gives it really good strength and rigidity for two adults to be sleeping up there. We also add this aluminium finishing trim to the front, this C-channel, which gives it real good strength on the front and just reinforces that flex, any flex in the roof at the top on there. On ours, one of the key features is we upgrade the gas rams to a different spec to be suitable for the extra weight that the 18mm ply is. Now that's a key feature to keep that roof up there. So with the bedboard, again, is similar to the roof. You can just push it up pretty much with one hand, and that'll just go up on its own to full height there. Also available is lighting. So when we install these roofs, or anybody installs these roofs, you've got the option of having recessed lighting installed into the roof reinforcement frames. That all depends on how your build is and what you're going to have, what furniture you're going to have. But it's ideal to do it at the same time because you can get all the wire in, and we install these recessed touch lights, and they just give enough lighting down this side, and again you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, however many you want down that side. A lot of the time people won't have it on the driver's side because they'll have a light bar or furniture down that side, so we tend to just install it mainly on this side. But great option to have, it gives you that feature. You can also install your original courtesy light from the van, so to work with your doors if you want that. A lot of people choose not to, just for the cleaner look of the recessed lighting that's installed down that side. On all the roofs you'll have a mesh side window, so this is a zipped side section and it has a mesh screen behind it. That's to allow ventilation, and on the front you have one of those either side, and then on the front section we have a clear vinyl front screen to allow light and for good visibility out the front. You have one of those on each side and one on the front. This one's a premium canvas, which is the slightly thicker canvas, a little bit more robust, does come in at a little bit of an extra cost, but this one also has the Scenic canvas, so we can unzip this all the way around the bottom and then pin this canvas back to give us a nice view out straight over the sea there, and it will look great. So what we'll do is we'll do this window up now, and then we'll unzip that out and pin it back. Let's take a look. So for us to undo the canvas and pin it back for the Scenic canvas, we just got to undo these front straps and take those out. That's your tie down straps that we're removing, and it's as simple as just pulling them straight out of there. And then what we're going to do is going to unzip all the way around the bottom and pin that back. Now it's a bit of a windy day here in Dorset, so not the best time to demo it, but that's going to go round here. And then what you want to do is you want to pin these back on the tie backs that we install just above the bedboard system. So that's just going to fold back there, same here, and do the same on this side and just pin that back up. And then what that's going to do is open up all of this front section out so you can see out all the way across, and in a lovely summer's day it allows a load of fresh air to come through the van, especially when you're cooking inside or anything like that, and gives you those fantastic views. So from where we're positioned right now, you can see Portland Bill right on the end, on the bottom of the south coast here, and that looks right the way across, all the way around Chesil Beach, and then we're looking right the way over to Devon. So you've got Bridport down this way, and then we're going to move on to sort of like down that way towards Seaton and Budley Salterton and so on, all the way around into Devon. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt, but unfortunately we did lose audio on the next clip, so I'm just going to narrate over the top on how to close down the Westdubs roof. Okay, so first up we want to unhook the canvas from both sides behind the bedboards, and then we want to be zipping that canvas up round the front. When you get to the corners, just hold it tight just so that zip comes round nice and easy. And then once that canvas is zipped up, we want to be putting our tensioning straps on and then pulling down the roof via the grab handles, and we want to be pulling that canvas in away from the hinges and the gas rams, and the front screen wants to go out. Now I stop about a foot off the van just so we can sort out the window and fold it nicely so you don't get any creases in it if it sits there for a long time. There you can see that the roof is now down flush and it's all tied off with the straps at the front, and it's all sitting flush to the van. This one's got a 100-watt solar panel installed with rear cable entry, and that means that we've got no visible cables on the outside. Guys, thanks very much for watching. That was just a quick review on the Westdubs roof to show you how it operates and what to expect if you have one installed on your van. If you would like a price or any quotes on Westdubs roofs to be installed on your vehicle, please visit our website at vancreations.co.uk. Or alternatively, send us an email and tell us a bit about the spec of your van and what it is you're hoping to achieve, and we can quote from there. Thanks very much for watching, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and hopefully we'll get some more videos out to you as soon as possible.